Hi daisies, good morning. It's morning for me. I'm doing my vlog this morning. How y'all doing? How is everybody doing? I keep forgetting that I need to look there instead of there. You see what I'm saying? When I look over here, I'm not looking directly in my camera. So anyway, I am coming on this morning because I wanted to show you guys my hair. I did a little clip of me putting on this piece, but this is the hair piece I told you guys that I purchased from Amazon. Amazon be having some good, like they be having some good stuff. I'm just saying, like I need to be in like partnership with Amazon and sell some stuff because they be having some good stuff. So anyway, I purchased this ponytail. And I showed you guys the packaging that it came in. So this ponytail was a $10 ponytail from Amazon, and I wanted to show you guys how it would look on my head. I did a slick down, Eco Styling Gel. Okay, and y'all know the Eco Styling Gel be flaking sometime. Like, yeah. So anyway, I smoothed down my hair into a ponytail. And then there was like a little opening in the actual ponytail that I slipped on. And I just want to say that, you know, the hair is not that bad. I panned it down with pins. And it has a little bit of shedding. I believe if it get really knotted up, it would really be shedding a lot. But find a place for it. But yeah, so this is the ponytail. It looks like a wet and wavy. I'm sure if I wet it, it'll be really nice. But this is how it look. I'm not really a big fan of the ends being so frayed. It look like split ends, but the actual hair itself feels pretty good. Feels pretty good, y'all. But the ends I'm not a big fan of. I don't know how I can get it to not look so like that. I don't like that because it makes the hair fall and look different. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys how it look. Let's stand up. I mean, it really don't look that bad. Let me show you guys. Y'all can see that. It really don't look that bad, but I actually like the ponytail. So I definitely will try to do my best to take care of it and style it up, I guess. I'm sure I can wrap it into a big bun. Yes, I have options with this thing. It's not that bad. It could be really cute. Look at that. That's how I should have went out today, wrap this up. But I really wanted to show how pretty cute this ponytail was. So with that being said, it doesn't have that much body, but you could probably fluff it up to make it have a lot of body. It's pretty flat. It's pretty thin. But actually it's not pretty thin. It's pretty full. I like it. Below of where I purchased it, which merchandiser or which company through Amazon that I purchased it from. It came next day for Prime members. I think it came next day by 8 a.m. So I love those options that Prime provides. I just want to let you guys know that it turned out pretty cute. What you think? Did it turn out cute to you? Do you think I should try something different, get a different ponytail? Ponytails are not for me. What y'all think? Even though those who know me know I'm a ponytail girl and I can rock a ponytail for a good minute. See, the shedding. That's gonna be an issue for me. It's gonna be an issue for me. But maybe if I can stop pulling on it and playing in it, then maybe it'll stop shedding, you know? Anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching my channel. Like, subscribe, share, and all that. Like, subscribe, share, and all that. Like, subscribe, share, and all that. I like my ponytail. I like my ponytail. I like my ponytail. I like my ponytail. Yeah, that ponytail. Yeah, that it's not the bang. No bang. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh,
Nope.
No, not the bang. The bang. It's my ponytail. My ponytail. Like, share, subscribe. Whoa, 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 whoa.